Hi guys, my name is Terrence and I'm 6 years old.
Hey Tuffy, what are we going to be doing today?
Gardening, Grandma.
Really? What are we going to do? What kind?
No, transplant, winter sowing.
Awesome. What should we plant?
We shall plant sweet peppers. Peppers.
Awesome. What else?
You're going to be planting lettuce. We're going to be planting carrots. And we're going to be planting hot peppers. Spicy, that's spicy. Here you go. Go in there. Guys, here you go. Now, what are you going to do, Grandma? Oh. We both try these. You said you'd have to comment down below. You'll have to. Alright.
This stuff has a This is going to be at the bottom. We're still going to add some more compost.
Yeah. She wants no more gardening stuff than me. But I'm still smart. You can see watch garden in YouTube. I didn't know that was surprising. But now I can do this. I'm gonna aim at all those microbes then.
A little bit more.
Ugh. Hi guys. Well, it smells really good. You see. Ooh, stop.
So what are we doing now?
We're still putting these leaves in. These live leaves in the compost. That makes sense. Just take the stick off. It don't matter. Put that hole in it.
Yeah. And what are we going to add after we add the live leaf?
No. Honestly. Alright.
And then what goes after the potting soil?
You didn't say nothing about that.
The seeds.
Seeds, yeah. It's 6, guys.
This is how we do our garden. Okay, Tuffy, what are we going to do now?
And in the soil
And how will we be doing that?
with our eggs.
How are you going to do that?
You're gonna crush it and sprinkle it on our compost.
Okay, so now this is our
Eggs.
good potting soil.
It's so dirty.
This is our good potting soil.
I'm really used to it, but
So this is the top layer. We added some old potting soil that we used from last year. And now we're going to make this good soil some amendments. So we will be adding eggs, eggshells. We're gonna add some perlite.
Whatever it's called.
And perlite helps to insulate the roots and protect the plant from we also add coffee grounds. So what's your favorite part of doing gardening?
Probably just spray the holes over plants. It's kind of fun. And probably doing these eggs. But then our heads get really slimy. So that's the fun part.
Okay, so what's the next step? What are we gonna do now?
You're gonna add a couple scoops of coffee grounds in our container here.
Okay, do it.
So how many? So I think we should do 5 scoops. 1. You spread that out, right? You see all that mustard?
So what's next?
Microbial fertilizer. One tablespoon of fertilizer. Now you're gonna put this in here. You're gonna mix it up again. And let's start. Alright, this was kind of, it's better to mix it up when there's water in it anyways. Now I'm gonna add some water. Alright, be careful. Now let's go to the other side. Put it on the eggs. Alright, you're gonna put this oil all the way almost to the top. Alright. Just that. It's good we like eggs for to eat eggs. This is the eggshell actually. Is to sprinkle a little bit of dirt to cover the seeds. And we need to use our hands for this one. You see, you're gonna do this and sprinkle. I'll put some of that water in just a little. You see, it's dirty. Grandma add a Ziploc bag to make it humidity done. We're gonna put a little bit of holes in there. Thanks for watching how to do no transplant winter sowing.